How to unfollow those who don't follow you on your Instagram account. To do that, there are two processes how you can unfollow the people who don't follow you back on your Instagram. So the first method is to open your Instagram by logging in and installing the latest version of. So I already opened this page. So I've already followed this page right here. That's why it can be seen. So to know if this page has followed me or not, you can simply tap on the following list. When you tap on the following list and you don't see your account at all, so this account follows two accounts that you already follow but does not follow you. That means this account has not followed you. So if you want, then you can simply unfollow by tapping here. You can simply go on your followers list and see individually like that. But how do you know the people that don't follow you back simply? To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store on your phone. This works on either your iPhone or Android for everything. So after going on Google Play Store, on the top search bar, you can simply search for followers on followers Instagram. So I simply search on followers Instagram and then this app popped up. You will now see this app right here. The name of the app is Followers and Non-Followers. Do install the latest version of this app and log in to your Instagram account here. After you install it already, then you can see the people who follow you or don't follow you, and you can simply unfollow the people on the list. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.